Hi, class. My name is Benjamin Webster. This is my second change management course. I enjoyed the first one so much, I'm back. All right. A little bit of personal information about me. I have been in IT for the past 20 years. I've worked in a role as a database and applications engineer for the past 8 at Ohio National Financial Services, where my current role is allowing me to work remote. So I live in South Carolina, actually Hilton Head, South Carolina. I'm sure everyone knows where that's at. Um, I I've been married for going on 9 years, and my wife Christy and I have 3 children. We have Claire, Anna, and Charlie, and we have a dog named Shep. Um, as far as my career aspirations, I'm hoping to use my MBA when I'm finished, which will be in December. Yay! Um, to possibly look to move up the corporate ladder, to even venturing out on my own, or create my own business, or possibly changing jobs somewhere more local versus being across the country. What I hope to get out of the class is actually I want to continue to build on what I've already learned, and hoping to be able to apply the concepts that I learned in this class to my job and to my life. And I'm looking forward to getting the opportunity to get to know all you and hopefully learn some things from you as well. So good luck the rest of the class and with the rest of your MBA journey. Thanks. Bye.